Hello, and welcome to the Daily Jobs Digest with the Travel Reclaim Brands. Today we are looking at a remote technical writer job located in North America by the company MongoDB. So usually when you see North America, the company is referring to the USA, Canada, as well as the Caribbean. I also looked through the website of this company and I saw that they were looking for people across the world, like in different other world regions like Europe, Asia, and so forth. So it really confirms that this job is actually open internationally. So let's learn more about this company and about what the job entails. All right, so the MongoDB DB for database documentation team is a diverse and highly technical group of engineers who develop and maintain the documentation for the MongoDB product family. Our mission is to help developers and administrators successfully use MongoDB products by providing outstanding documentation. So the Cloud Docs team helps engineers and administrators successfully use their cloud products and integrations by providing outstanding documentation for the following industry-leading products and services. So they give you a list of the different products that are part of their portfolio. So they tell you a little bit more about what the company is about. So your work will empower a global community of millions of engineers, ranging from experienced Mongo database users to those new to the service. And the role is based remotely in North America. So essentially, you'll be a writer for the cloud department for this company. So they are looking for somebody with 2 or more years of experience across any of the following roles, like technical writer, developer, advocate, software engineer, or product management. Beyond industry experience, they're also looking for somebody who is experienced with helping engineers or working with them, is a critical reader and an excellent writer, experience deploying and troubleshooting instances of software management tools, and who knows a little bit about software management, software development, and so forth. They give you additional experience points that will help as well to boost your application. They talk about the expectation for the position. So you'll be working with technical and non-technical teams to meet the documentation needs of their readers. That's where kind of like knowing about the technical side of things will help, even if you are not like a coder or a developer or an engineer. At least if you know about it, it will help. You will be expected to research the product features and validate them with diligent testing and produce technical documentation that will be used by the user. So I'm assuming that will be documentation that will help them to know how the products work and so forth. So they give you examples of success measures in the position, like 3 months milestones, 6 months milestones, and 12 months milestones, and so forth. So and they have their specific clauses about applicants located in specific regions. So I think that would be a great position for somebody in the technical writing field. If you are interested in this job, simply you either apply through your LinkedIn profile or include your first and last name, email address, upload your resume or CV, your cover letter, additional links, and answer the identification questions if you choose to do so, and submit your application. Of course, for these kind of jobs, it's important for you to have an optimized cover letter and resume. So make sure you check out my remote work starter pack that includes cover letters and resume templates that you can use for you to actually stand a better chance of competing at these jobs, because it will be optimized for online jobs and you will only need to customize them for the specific job that you're applying for. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and see you in the next video. Bye.